just the way it goes. Gotta go and give it all you go. Yeah. That's just the way it goes. Gotta go and give it all you go.
I'm talking stronger living, I'm talking stronger soul. Foot on the clutch and I won't let off. Never looking back at the time I lost. Gotta count my prayers, so many times that I should have been dead. Living in the dark when the light was shed. Hard to step away cause I'm comfy there. Feeling 10 feet tall, like a baller dog. When I'm on my game, I can have it all. Wrong step back, fall. It's curtain call. Catch my drift, I'm just a pawn. In this game, gotta run before you cross. I'm spitting like a track star. I don't know where I'm going, but I hope far. I'm stepping to the front like, homie, what? Spit with on my heart like it's fisticuffs. Every time I'm on stage, gotta rip it up. Let me live it up. Let me get in my position. Feel my strength and see my vision. Hear my pain and zone out to the rhythm. Yeah, I'm talking stronger living. I'm talking stronger soul. We taking our position and never letting go. I'm talking stronger living, I'm talking stronger soul. We taking our position and now they yelling ho. Come on now, the world is screaming. Come on now, the world is screaming. Come on now, the world is screaming. Come on now.
I'm talking stronger living, I'm talking stronger soul. Carry that burden, I got your load. I'ma lift you up, speak up, be bold. I'm a man, I'll be talking blunt. You better hear that truth, all it take is once. You better humble your mind, you've been blind for months. I'm here to pack a punch and put away your stunts. New day when you're here to live it. Don't go for gimmicks, don't be a statistic. Be the one to pick and be quick to pivot to the ones you love. I wanna see your spirit. I'ma help you be a believer. I can block the reaper, be your brother's keeper. I could be the teacher, even be the preacher. Get the devil either, I can help the weaker. This is a stronger vision and it deals with living plus one addition. It's free admission to the right religion, no competition to your position. You know, better get up, go. Don't waste no time, you're stronger if you let it shine. Don't waste no time, you're stronger if you let it shine. Don't waste no time, you're stronger if you let it shine.
I'm talking stronger living, I'm talking stronger soul. We taking our position and never letting go. I'm talking stronger living, I'm talking stronger soul. We taking our position and now they yelling ho. Come on now, the world is screaming. Come on now, the world is screaming. Come on now, the world is screaming. Come on now. Yeah, for another day did he let me breathe. And for another day did he let me live. And for another day did he let me see. Come on.
I'm getting stronger, okay. I'm getting stronger my way. I call this stronger living, and you know I'm driven. Anything that's given, call it stronger living.
Now I'm getting stronger every day. Now I'm living better every week. I'm going hard like every hour. Promise that you never catch me weak.
I'm getting stronger, okay. I'm getting stronger my way. I call this stronger living, and you know I'm driven. Anything that's given, call it stronger living.
Yeah, I'm talking stronger living, I'm talking stronger soul. We taking our position and never letting go. I'm talking stronger living, I'm talking stronger soul. We taking our position and now they yelling ho. Come on now, the world is screaming. Come on now.
Your hand always feels so good in mine. We'll dilly-dally, no way, baby, here we're losing time. Bombs and bullets are just part of the scenes, and at the end your time is written like you got a disease. So let's split before you're ending up in the freezer. They put you on the cover till they don't really need you, and then the hype gets out there and the book gets sold, and they push you stage left before your story gets told. Oh,
move, slide to the left. Move, slide to the right. Drink, bottle of dark. Drink, bottle of light. Move, slide to the left. Move, slide to the right. Drink, bottle of red. Drink, bottle of white. Yeah!
No, I'm not crazy, maybe I have a dream. No, you're not the victim, baby, I need you to save me. Let's make it the last scene, move on to the big screen. And we're way too freaking needy to ever go mainstream. You are the love of my life, hope you dig that. You say you got a lot of luggage, we can lift that. In no time, they'll be wanting us dead. No, I swear they have you wearing little more than a thread. Oh,
move, slide to the left. Move, slide to the right. Drink, bottle of dark. Drink, bottle of light. Move, slide to the left. Move, slide to the right. Drink, bottle Marcus Dallies. She got her back clutched close to her breast. She takes her keys, hands shaking badly. Chest tight like hallways, ain't that always the way I see a damsel in distress? Princess, not in this one but the next. And we wait with some bated breath for a Cape Crusader to steady save her from death. Yo, cause all I'm seeing is repetitive penmanship that's steady lacking in etiquette. The feminist aesthetic gets strictly irrelevant. A treehouse no more with a no girls allowed sign hung in the front door. And she's surrounded by walls closing in. She's feeling trapped, forced into the poses. Outfits that cut up her circulation, toes and fingers into fists as she breaks through the fourth wall. Move, move, slide to the left. Move, move, slide to the right. Drink, drink, bottle of dark. Drink, drink, bottle of light. Move, move, slide to the left. Move, move, slide to the right. Drink, drink, bottle of red. Drink, drink, bottle of white. Yeah!
Like John Cusack at his finest. We can leave these walls behind us. Skip the panels and get off of the page. We're not the first to do it, ladies. Just check out my boy Wade and screw what the fans say. They made it go this way. Jason Payne with the Joker with a crowbar to the brain. Start to feel like all our issues and our days are numbered, but I can promise we can find a new world that we can discover. So I'm on a brand new crusade. I'm about to prove there's more than life than the number you get paid. The number of stocks sold, you can't keep them on the shelf. You gotta bring entire armies. I can do this by myself, You're my Wonder Woman and my power girl. And if I had my druthers, I would tell the entire world. But first we gotta move away from this curse. Every day we live with danger, so how can this get worse,
Battery is dead. No juice.